Hi everyone, welcome to Decentro. We'll be having a demo of API reference page for Validate API, which we also call as Document Verification API, which falls under KYC and onboarding stack of Decentro. As you can see, four sections on the screen. One is your request body parameter. Second is your headers, which are very important. Third is your request body formation block, where all the information from this body parameter and headers get populated to form a curl. And fourth one is your response block, where you get actual API response data. So we have passed client ID, client secret, and module secret. If you have onboarded yourself on staging or production at Decentro, you'll be having client ID, client secret, and module secret. So you have to pass this. Second is your body parameter. There are 5 essential parameters that we need to pass. One is your unique reference ID. Second is the document type, the type of document that we are validating against. So for now we are validating PAN. You can validate other documents as well, like GSTN, RC, or PAN detail. So a detailed list is attached in our documentation, which you can have a look at. Third is the ID number. So if my document type is PAN, I have to pass a valid 10-digit ID number. If my document type is RC, I have to pass a valid RC number. Consent Y or N based on customer has given consent to fetch information on behalf of him or her. Consent purpose, the reason for doing this validation. So as you can see, I have entered all the information in request body and headers. And once I click on try it in this environment, it will do an actual live API hit and you'll be able to see a live response. We can see the KYC status is success. Message says PAN details have been retrieved successfully. This is the ID number. ID status is valid. Category is individual or person. So there are two categories associated with PAN. One is business PAN and second is individual or person PAN. So this person has an individual PAN. That's where the listing says it's an individual PAN. The name of the person with whom this ID is associated. And there are some essential information related to API, your response key to check whether the API was a success or failure, request timestamp, response timestamp, and Decentro transaction ID. You can try this with other document types as well, like GSTN, RC, voter ID. Our detailed list is attached in our documentation, so feel free to have a look at that and play around. Thanks for giving your time. So this was a quick demo for Validate API at Decentro. Thank you. Bye-bye.